20 degrees, I think, or something like that.
Alright guys, so got the new GoPro in. I had ordered it online. They canceled my order on me for whatever reason. I don't really want to explain it all. It's just too long of a story. I went and bought one from the store like I should have done in the first place. I just didn't think I'd have time. But here it is. My new GoPro. I wish it was my old GoPro, because I had so much stuff on it, but new GoPro, new hand mount, holder, whatever you would call it, and let's switch to the GoPro so we don't have to hold the phone anymore. Alright guys, so we're on the GoPro now. Thank goodness. Let's get rolling. I like having a GoPro. I don't like having to use my phone anymore. Just very annoying. But we're gonna make some shots for the upcoming challenge of going underneath overpasses. I know I did that burnout, so probably can't really top that. But what are you doing? Get that shot now. The lady clearly had a red light, and of course she's got to cut me off when she had the red light. You know, whatever, that's cool. I'm tired of that crap. But anyways, so we got the GoPro. Kind of sunny out here, but we're back to the way the videos used to be, thank goodness, because I was tired of holding my stupid phone. And we can mount it outside of the car and everything now, so I'm excited, and I'm sure you guys are probably happy about the same thing. Tired of seeing my videos handheld in my hand with my phone. Trying to keep myself tame with my car. I need to get some breakfast. I'm starving. And hoping to maybe see a couple other Chargers out. I've seen a few the past couple days, but they're always going the opposite way. And I'm not going to turn around just to go catch them. So, if I find any more, I will throw them clips in. If I come up with any other any stuff I want to add, I'll throw that here at the end of the video. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. Oh, one other thing I forgot. A buddy of mine's got a Silverado similar to mine, different color. His wheels are chrome, and they're 20s instead of 22s. But I'm thinking about doing a video with him. His truck's got the 6.2, and mine's only got the 5.3. So we may throw in a little bit of a race, because I've got mods done to my Silverado. He's stock. Hopefully that's not too windy with me having had that window open. But anyways, that might be a future video for those of you truck guys. If you're interested, let me know. I probably should get over it. Yeah. Anyways, again, thank you guys for watching. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe, like, and I will see you guys soon.